2017 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with a clean and modern interior. This vehicle has less than 600 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, clock, power door locks, security system, power windows, tachometer, daytime running lights, intermittent wipers, carpeted floor mats, power mirrors, tilt steering wheel, rear view camera, power outlets, cup holders, vanity mirrors, tire pressure monitor. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.